darkness, my old friend, I come to talk you again. Because a vision softly creeping left his seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the hollow of the street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the nightlight I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare stop the sound of silence. Frozen eye, I don't know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might eat you. Take my heart that I might bleed you. But my words like sun and raindrops fell, and echo in the wells of silence. And the people bow and pray to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed harmony in the words that it was born in, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, 10 tolls, and whispering the sound of silence. The sound of silence.